Today we are going to discuss the question and answers of the chapter Birbal's Khichdi. If you remember in the chapter is all about how Akbar and Birbal went out for a walk along the lake, and how Birbal shared his thought with Emperor Akbar, and Emperor Akbar challenged Birbal to find a man who would stand in the cold water the whole night for money, and the poor man who fulfilled the challenge, then Akbar refusing to give away the reward money, and how Birbal made Emperor Akbar realize his mistake. How he made him realize his mistake by pretending to cook khichdi in an earthen pot that was kept far away from the fire. Right? Okay, get ready for the questions. Question number 1. What were Emperor Akbar and Birbal doing one winter morning? Emperor Akbar and Birbal went out for a walk along the lake one fine winter morning. What did Birbal say to Emperor Akbar? Birbal had shared his thought with Emperor Akbar that a man would do anything for money. Right? And after that only Emperor Akbar had challenged Birbal to find a person who would stand in the cold water the whole night. What did Emperor Akbar challenge Birbal to do? Emperor Akbar challenged Birbal to find a man who would agree to stand in the cold winter night in the lake for the whole night. And if this would be fulfilled, he would reward that person handsomely. Right? Next question. Why did Emperor Akbar go to Birbal's house? You know what happened? When Emperor Akbar refused to reward the poor man by saying that he had stolen the warmth of the lamp from the palace to stand in the cold water the whole night, that time Birbal had thought of an idea. What was that idea? He thought of an idea where he would pretend to cook khichdi on fire in an earthen pot that was kept very far away from the fire. That time when Akbar sent messages for Birbal to come to the court, and Birbal did not reach the court, at that time Emperor Akbar decided to go by himself to Birbal's house and find out what was actually happening in Birbal's house, what was going on in Birbal's house, and what was going in Birbal's mind. Next, why did Emperor Akbar and his attendants laugh? You know what Emperor Akbar and his attendants witnessed? They witnessed that Birbal was sitting near a fire. On the top of the fire, far away, was kept an earthen pot, which was supposedly filled with rice and pulses to cook khichdi. And this was a very funny sight, because everyone knows that if the fire is not given enough to a pot or a vessel, the food cannot be cooked. And this sight of Birbal trying to cook khichdi with the fire very far away from the earthen pot made Emperor Akbar and his attendants burst into laughter.